Today we had a client come in with a taper fade that went way too high after going to another local barber. He wanted a low fade but ended up with way too much bulk taking out the sides. He'd been regrowing his hair and came to the right place for a fix. We started with clippers to define our baselines, opting for a mid-taper to address the bulk issue. The key to this fix is ensuring a natural blend for proper regrowth, so we dive in with scissor over comb. As we move to the other side, you can see the shape coming together nicely. Next, we tackle the neckline and the back of the taper fade with clippers. With the fade nearly complete, we section the hair for an even cut, cutting into the hair to build texture for a natural, messy fringe finish. Then a bit more blending with clip over comb. Now we clean up the lines with a detailer.
Wow.
And out comes the foil to get that true skin grade. Then finally it's time for the hair drying and styling, using our fingers to enhance the texture, just working into the hair. The client didn't want any product in his hair today, so I guess it's job done. That's another fix on the tally.